High winds kept crews in Shepherdsville out busy for hours.
That's when I realized something was bad,
as they tended to ripped trees that lied throughout the area. And this downed power line. Crews say high winds brought it down just after 5 here on Highway 44. And as you can see, traffic was at a halt for about 3 hours until the road was cleared.
Then I did walk outside once the sirens went off and walk down because cars are now piling up.
Michelle McAllister lives off of Highway 44 and says she was prepared for the worst as she did whatever she could to protect her kids indoors.
I let them come out onto the blanket and not be around any windows just in case, because I could still hear wind pretty strong.
Well, the wind just picked up really quickly.
Another neighbor, Sherry Kerr, says she weathered the storm too and could tell how strong the winds were just by looking outside of her front door.
The trees were literally all the way over. Not quite touching the ground, but they were pretty close.
We spoke to officials with the Bullitt County Emergency Management Agency who says the storm seemingly caused minor damage, something neighbors we spoke to say is a relief.
It was a little crazy at first, and then after the fact, of course, your adrenaline's going, and we did see all the traffic stopped, and of course the firehouse is right down the street, so we heard a lot of sirens, but other than that, it was literally that quick.
I checked my car, and then I realized I've got a little bit, probably not deductible worth, but shingles and siding and stuff missing, but we're safe.